आइए जरा इस वीडियो में हम एसी जनरेटर के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं. ए मशीन विच कन्वर्ट्स मैकेनिकल एनर्जी into alternating current energy is called AC generator. It was invented by Nikola Tesla, Yugoslav scientist, and principle is very simple: electromagnetic induction. That is, if the flux linked with the coil changes and induced EMF is produced, the direction of the induced EMF is given by, you can say, Lenz's law. And the construction is very simple. और direction यहाँ पर जो induced current होगा, direction of induced current will be given by the right hand rule. So the construction में क्या है? It is P, Q, R, S the armature, B1 and B2 are the brushes used to take the current outside the load resistance coil, and this R1 and R2 are the, this is R1, this is R2 rings. So what happens? The coil is allowed to rotate in the uniform magnetic field. Theta is the angle between magnetic field and area element. As the coil rotates, what happens? The flux linked with the coil changes and induced current is produced in the coil due to the induced EMF, and the direction of the induced current is given by, you can say, Fleming's right hand rule. If the coil is rotating in this way, that is in this anti-clockwise direction, so induced EMF will be like this way, from it will be like B1 to B2 and like from R to S and S to Q and Q to P. So this is the case of the current, and this is the case of voltage, alternating voltage. This is phi V. So we can differentiate this, that phi B is equal to B A cos theta. आप differentiate करेंगे तो हमारे पास ये आ जाएगा E is equal to NBA dd cos theta. This value is known as the maximum peak value. This is instantaneous value. Nu is the frequency of rotation of the coil, and the sin omega t changes between plus minus 1. E is the E changing between plus minus A naught. हमारे पास तीन तरह के जनरेटर होते हैं. हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर, वाटर इज अलाउड टू फॉल ऑन द coil to make it rotate. That energy is known as the hydroelectric energy, and in some cases the high pressure steam is used to rotate the coil. That is known as the, you can say, thermal energy, and in some cases the energy is required to rotate this coil, that is from the nuclei. So that power is known as the nuclear power. So in this case, actually the machine converts mechanical energy into alternating current energy. These are the graphs showing the relation between EMF, alternating current, and phi B. So today we have the generator having 100 megawatt of the power that is being produced. Construction simple है, points में आप ये लिखेंगे, वो simple derivation है. इसमें इतना ही है. इसको alternating current क्यों कहते हैं? Because the direction changes periodically and magnitude changes continuously. That is why it is known as the alternating current. Thank you very much for watching the video.